Hello. I hope all is well with you guys. First of all, I will point out that my English is not good, but I will try my best. If you have difficulty to understand or any question, you can ask either by commenting or via the link that is in the description below. Okay, this is the fourth video in the series of networking fundamentals because we are going in this area in the networking fundamentals. We are going to lay the groundwork or gain the basic knowledge and understanding of the network. Therefore, the description that will I provide here, it's the most basic, it's not in detail. Okay, we are going to learn about hierarchically. We start from a small home network and go to wider area network. I have illustrated here the picture. First, we are going to learn about a small home network. Then, we are going to describe a small office or home office network, which is short for SOHO. SOHO includes in itself a small home network. Then we are going to talk about local area network. This includes the two previous network in it, and then we are going to talk about wide area network, which include all three previous network that we have mentioned here. It is the generalization. Okay, I have drawn a picture like this to have the basic understanding. Okay, so first we are going in this here for prevent that video is not going too long. In this video we are going first talk about the small home network, then in next video we are going to talk about small office or home office network, and then a local area network and wide area network and so on. Here we are going to learn 3 point. I have categorized in 3 point here. First we are going to describe, then characteristic, and then a scope or coverage area. As I mentioned, because it is the networking fundamental, we are not going to too deep. We will just describe and gain the basic knowledge or understanding about what is small home network. It is the smallest and most basic network which consists devices that you are using at your home. For example, it can be your computer, your smartphone, your tablet, your printer. You may have printers at your home, and some of us have smart devices which are we using in our home. It can be your refrigerator I don't know, and vacuum cleaner, and some cooking devices that is common today, etc. Maybe you have security camera at your home. Okay, and some and smart devices, smart home devices. Okay, these devices that we have mentioned here, these devices connect to each other and to the network and to the internet and to the internet through a home router. We are going to learn about in the coming videos how this connection mm, look like. Okay, then the scope area or coverage, it's very limited. It is limited to a single home, to a single household. That's why it's called a small home network. Now we are going to talk about its characteristics. It is very easy and simple to set up. Simple to set up. You don't need to have knowledge of how the network is working. You just basically go shop your router, buy your router from the store, and come home and plug it in, and then you can connect your devices to it. It's not difficult. And because you don't need to have networking engineering degree or something or certificate like that, because it as we mentioned, it's easy or simple to set up. Therefore it needs minimal network management. You don't need to know how to divide your network, subnetting or troubleshooting. If you have any difficulty, just contact your internet server provider company, then they will fix it. Okay, and the downside also is limited security feature. Most of the home network, they don't uh, spend extra money for to boost their security of the network, because they feel they don't need it. Okay, this point, I think that's enough to have this knowledge about. First, we described what is a small home network, then which devices that it consists of, and how the connections looks like. And in the coming videos, we are going to talk about in a little bit detail how this connection looked like. But here is sufficient to know, okay, this device is connect to each other and to the internet through a home router that you buy from a store, and its scope or coverage area is very limited to single household. And its characteristics, you don't need to have deep knowledge of networking. It's therefore it's very simple to set up. And the other benefit is you don't need here it's minimal network management needed. And the downside is it has limited security features. Okay, in the next video we are going to talk about small office or home office network. If you have any questions, Yeah, you can either ask me by commenting or contact me via the link that is in this description. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye.